Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Anypro and the Yelltimer. Today, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, an RV, or a dorm, finding the right washing machine is crucial. Let's get started. The Anypro portable washing machine boasts a capacity of 17.8 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads and fully automatic washing. In contrast, the Yelltimer offers a smaller capacity of 16L, which is ideal for lighter loads but requires more manual intervention. If you prioritize convenience and the ability to wash more clothes at once, the Anypro is the clear winner here. When it comes to price, the Anypro is significantly more expensive at $199, while the Yelltimer is a budget-friendly option at just $50. If you're looking for a more economical choice and don't mind a smaller capacity, the Yelltimer is an excellent option. However, if you're willing to invest more for additional features and convenience, the Anypro may be worth the splurge. In terms of portability, the Yelltimer stands out with its lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. On the other hand, the Anypro, while offering more features, is larger and heavier, which may limit its portability for some users. If you need a washing machine that you can easily move around, the Yelltimer is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Anypro and Yelltimer portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Anypro is ideal for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Yelltimer is perfect for those seeking affordability and portability. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.